Hey guys, welcome back to another one. We're back out at the lake. I got the kayak, got my bait caster. We're gonna paddle around and see if we can catch some bass. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Well guys, my record with fake baits seems to be holding up perfectly. I think I might have had one hit, but I don't know. We're not giving up though. We're gonna keep going, and hopefully maybe we'll hook up on something for you guys. And stick around, see what happens. Loving this kayak though. This is a game changer, especially when you can get fish to hit. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, I ain't kidding you. My first ever fish on an artificial Guys, beautiful little smallmouth. How cool is that? First ever fish on an artificial. Well, I mean, like a soft plastic worm or whatever. This is a Yum Dinger 6-inch. Yeah, man. That's fucking awesome. Love it. I thought it was bottom at first, but that's great. Oh, man, I really didn't. I was really starting to lose faith in this, but I see everybody catching them on them, so it's like, man, that's awesome. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Stay tuned. Oh, he got off, guys. Oh, man. Oh. Came back for it. I don't think he's very big. I don't even know if you're recording, because it still says waiting for preview. Okay guys, I'll turn you back on. Well guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching and subscribing and liking and all that good stuff. And what a blast we had tonight. Only caught one fish, but I caught a fish on a soft plastic bait, which I've never done before. So looking forward to getting out and getting after it again. What a ball. And I'm kind of sort of almost getting the hang of this bait caster. Anyway, guys, never forget, always remember, it's never a bad day to be more outdoors.